I'll edit music so it won't be so plain.
On that zip line, I would definitely give them a 5-star review.
Oh yeah.
Would you not, Mama?
I think they did good. I think they interacted with Madison well when she was doing it. Talking to her.
They were kind of funny.
Yeah, they were funny. The one that we talked to and we said he didn't like Coleman, he was being funny the whole time when he was showing us how to do it. You see the invisible chair? Yeah, no you can't.
Yeah.
You can't see invisible chairs.
They're all probably kind of that way, but they're all good guys.
I
Not
started.
one time did I feel like, okay, you're next, go.
No. Even when we were sitting up there talking to them, we were filling out our paperwork and sitting there talking football. You know what I'm saying?
You know what?